So understanding the earliest settlement of the Pacific has always been crucial to understanding out of Africa dispersals. For one thing, it allows us to establish the minimum timing of dispersals out of Africa, as well as occupation around Eastern Eurasia and Southeast Asia, and these areas are quickly becoming key topics for debate in terms of early Homo sapiens dispersals, both in paleoanthropology and in archaeology. But beyond that, the island environments of the Pacific allow us spaces to better understand human adaptive capacities. It allows us places to test and characterize the adaptive flexibility of our early ancestors, the Homo sapiens that occupied these islands. And we see that this is really, it becomes a hub of the earliest seafaring in history. And so if we want to understand the global evolution of seafaring, we need to look at these islands. You can see sort of these humble but yet sophisticated origins in the sort of islands bordering New Guinea, laying the foundations for many of the later developments in complex seafaring societies around Southeast Asia, even leading into many of today's globally connected maritime networks. So this really was a hub for early seafaring. Beyond that, we're able to examine some of the earliest explorations of tropical forests and lowland rainforests in global history. And this is where humans were moving into the dense tropical forests to collect fruits and hunt animals. And so humans weren't just adapting to these spaces, but they were actively, at least our own species, Homo sapiens, seemed to be doing something different in these spaces, perhaps even what we might call culturing these spaces. And this is drawing from Graham Barker and his team's work in Borneo. The idea of culturing or terraforming these island rainforest environments, clearing forests at times, managing forests, hunting small animals, even sometimes later translocating plants and animals between islands. So this all forms this relatively complex island forested world of interconnections between humans and their environments.